Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Dore from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to run a native ads campaign on MGID step by step with no step skip. It's going to be really interesting tutorial kind of stuff, guys, so stay tuned for this video. But before we go into today's video, please help support us by hitting the big red subscribe button for this channel, as well as the like button for this video only at the end of the video, guys, not now, only at the end of the video, and only if you like the video, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. So I'll be seeing you inside today's video. Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Welcome to today's video, everybody. In today's video, we are going to teach you on how to run native ads on MGID. So the platforms that we're going to use are ClickBank as our affiliate platform, Volume as our tracker, and we'll be definitely using MGID as well, and we'll be using OnTracks, and not to forget, we will also be using Landerize to build a landing page. I totally forget about Landerize. Let me just log in into this. So whatever tool that we're actually using here would be actually in the description below as well, the link. And special feature for Landerize, where there's actually a 14 days free trial link just below this video, guys. So let's get started, guys. Before that, I'm just going to tell you how the whole step works. It's very easy, guys. So the first step is that you need to go to ClickBank and choose an offer. Then after that, you need to after choosing that offer, you need to make the tracker for that particular offer. And once you have done the tracker for that particular offer, then you need to go to Landerize to build your lander, and then you need to build a lander tracker. And the final step, that's step 2. And the step 3 is you're going to go to MGID and build a campaign. Before that, you need to go ahead and build a campaign tracker via Volume for MGID. So this is the things that we will be actually doing here. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to set up a little bit. First thing is that you need to go to Volume over here, and you need to let Volume know what affiliate network and what traffic source that you're going to use, guys. So you're going to go to affiliate network here. So you're going to make sure that you create a new affiliate network, and make sure this is only done once, guys. So make sure you create ClickBank affiliate network. It's very easy, guys. Just hit next, just name ClickBank and everything, just hit save. That's it. That's how easy it is. So make sure you do this first pre-hand before you start to do your campaign. And also the next thing to do is do the same thing for traffic source as well. So you're gonna go traffic source, you're gonna hit new traffic source, and then you're gonna choose MGID. It should be here, MGID. You're gonna hit next, and then you're gonna hit save. So do this, let Volume know that we are working with both the affiliate network, which is ClickBank, and also the traffic source with this MGID. So once you have done that, make sure you go to Landerize, guys. Okay, Landerize is actually a landing page builder created by our very own Colin Dice himself, especially catering for affiliate marketers and affiliate page. Why? Because you can straight away upload your landing page that you build straight away into Amazon S3, which makes your landing page load very fast. But there's a catch here. How can you actually do that? You can actually only do that if you set up the Landerize properly. So make sure you go to the getting started section over here, and make sure you do all these steps properly, especially step number 2 and step number 3 is where they're going to teach you on how to go ahead and set up an Amazon S3 services step by step, and also how to connect your domain from Amazon S3 services to your Landerize, which is very important step, guys. It might be very hard if you do not have this tutorial video, and if you don't go through this tutorial video. So it will take around 30 minutes to do this, but you only need to do it once. So once you've done that, you can actually go ahead and build your campaign. Keep in mind that if you do not do that, you will literally get stuck in step 2, guys. So since assuming that we already done that, let's go ahead and start building a beautiful campaign, guys. So first thing is that you need to go ahead and get access to ClickBank. This is something which is very easy. There's no filtration needed and all this kind of stuff. So you can straight away go to ClickBank. You can just register into ClickBank. Very easy to get, even if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, guys. So once you have done that, you need to go to the marketplace section. So once you're in the marketplace section, you can actually see all the categories. This is actually the niches available, and if you click on the niches, you can see all the sub niches available. So let's say if you click on a particular sub niche, right, the offer for that particular sub niche will appear. So let's say you want to find all the offers, you can actually go to the find products. You can hit this button here, you can actually see all the products, guys. 3,655 products, and then you can actually sort them. This is how I will choose them. Actually, I will sort this all by gravity. So once I sort it by gravity, gravity simply means that how many people have actually purchased these items in the last 30 days. So when I sort it by gravity, I can actually see these symbols here, gravity. Like this offer, for example, has a crazy gravity of 779, which means that 779 people have actually purchased or converted with this product in the last 30 days. So I will not choose any offer which has a gravity less than 30. So that's like one of my filtration process. And the second one, I will actually take a look at the offer page, and I'll also take a look at the affiliate page. So in the offer page, what I will usually look at is I want to find some call to action button like this one. So this one's have a very nice call to action button. But if you just see a video like this, don't get shocked, because it's a very common practice in ClickBank to have a video like this and then you just run your offer. It's very normal thing to do, guys. So make sure, don't get panic for that. And also I will go back to the affiliate page and I'll find whether the affiliate page has all the resources that we need or not. The most important part of the resources that we actually need is we need an email swipe, we need some product images, and all this kind of stuff. So the more support we have, the more better it is. So that's the things that I will actually check out. But with native ads, right, we can actually do something very nice here. What you can actually do is you can actually go to a tool called OnTracks. OnTracks is a native ad spy tool, just the one similar one that we have with Adiplex and everything. But the only thing is that this is way more affordable and way more cheaper, so that our people can actually use this. So the link to OnTracks is in the description of this video as well. So like for example, Adiplex charges $250 per month, and OnTracks only charge $60 per month. So simple as that. So what we can actually do here is that once you are in OnTracks, we can actually filter the offers for ClickBanks. So you can actually go to the affiliate network, right? You can actually go to see, yeah, and then you can find ClickBank. So this is actually native. Make sure it's native, right? Because when you actually opening OnTracks, I want to show you there will be native, push, and dropship. So make sure it's native. So once you have done this with ClickBank, then what you can actually do is you can actually sort this by add gravity descending. So when you sort this by add gravity descending, you can actually see all the offers that is running really crazy with ClickBank. And not only that, you can, let's for example, you want to see this offer, right? You will see this offer is running crazy on ClickBank. Not only that, you will see that which country it's actually targeting, and then you can see much more deeper statistics, guys, when it was running very well, what other creatives these users are actually using, the landing page that they're actually using. This is the publishers that they were using, and you can actually see the ad networks that they were using for this one. You can see the device type, mobile devices, and you can see which geo has the highest penetration, like Italy, for example, Spain, and all this kind of stuff, guys. So you can actually do all this stuff, guys. So what we want to do is we want to filter a little bit more. Let's see if we can actually filter with MGID. We want to see what's running very well in MGID. Okay, diabetes freedom was only running for 1 day, and it was running for 30. It has 32, and this is like crypto ultimate. They do have a crypto offer. I don't know whether they have a crypto offer in ClickBank. This is surprising. So what is the crypto offer again? Crypto ultimate. Let me just check crypto ultimate. So once you actually check out this kind of offers, right, so you know which offer is running in which country and all this kind of stuff, you can literally go back to ClickBank and you can hit title. So for example, crypto ultimate, you need to spell it correctly. Sometimes you don't spell it correctly, you can't get it. Crypto Vault, Crypto Kickstarters, Crypto Banker, Bitcoin, Crypto Sync, Crypto Ultimate. Okay, this is the one which was running really good. But you can actually see here that it was actually running for only 1 day and it made 9 conversion. You know what it means? That this is a literally very high converting kind of stuff. So you can actually check out this. But okay, blah blah blah, you can actually see how much commission we actually get. So you bring client, you get 60% of the income. So it's a revenue sharing of a deposit. So usually for crypto offers, the deposit is like $250. So I think it's a revenue sharing, so it's quite high, guys. This guy had a quite high, but they do have a nice email swipes and everything that you can actually use. We can actually use this because this is actually a running offer, but then it has very less gravity. So usually the things in OnTracks, right, they will choose an offer that has good gravity. So I don't know why this one was here, but then we're gonna try this one, diabetes freedom. So let's try diabetes freedom. On the other hand, diabetes freedom. So diabetes freedom has a very crazy gravity. So we can actually check out diabetes freedom. So this is diabetes freedom. They do have a call to action button. They do have a video and everything, which is nice. Let's see the affiliate page if everything is good. Wow, they do have email swipe. They do have a demographic that you can actually targeting and all this kind of stuff. Okay, poor country and a high country and all this kind of stuff, which is really great, guys. So we're gonna choose this offer, guys. So if you decided to actually choose this offer, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this offer, you're gonna hit promote. When you hit promote, there will be a pop-up coming up and you're going to hit generate hop links and your affiliate link will be generated. So what you're going to do, you're going to copy that affiliate link, you're going to go back to volume, and now you're going to do the offer tracker. So you're going to go to the offer, you're going to go new offer, you are going to do public affiliate network, change it into clickbank, make sure, and then country, you see what country they were targeting. Actually they were targeting United States, so you're going to target United States as well. So United States, and then you're going to name it diabetes freedom. I think we did diabetes freedom before, and Colin was running a diabetes freedom offer, so let me just rename it mine. So the offer URL is where you're going to paste your affiliate link, and do not forget to put the and symbol, and also copy paste this bold one. Can you see this bold here? So make sure you copy this bold one and paste it here. So okay, so when you paste it, you can actually see the click ID has been activated, which means whatever that's going through this page will be tracked. So you're gonna hit save, and that's it, guys. You're done with step number 1, which is creating an offer and creating an offer tracker. So now we can actually go to step number 2, where we're going to create a landing page, guys. So mostly you can actually see, right, with native ads, they will straight away lead you to the offer page. Yes, they will usually straight away lead you to the offer page. This can be convincing, but I would say that this is not a recommended style. We need to have a landing page so that we can actually warm up the audience, we can actually give the audience something, we can engage with the audience, you know. That's why we always suggest you to actually go ahead and use a landing page. And if you want to use Landrise, there's actually a 14 days free trial link just below in this description, sorry, just in the description of this video, guys. So just go ahead and grab that as well. So let's go ahead and start building a landing page. So you're going to go my landing page, and then you're going to go hit new landing page. So when you hit new landing page, right, all the available templates will appear. Currently there's like 58 available template, and Landrise is adding like at least 4 brand new high converting templates every single week. Why do we say high converting template? Is because all this template has been tested by Colin, optimized by him and his team. I know this for a fact because I'm also one of his team members who actually do this. So you can see all these templates cater for a different reason. Sweepstakes, new, you can actually see spinner and all this kind of stuff. So you can actually see all this. So what we're gonna do is we got our thing is about diabetes, right? So it's going to be literally about Nutra. So let's just go to the article. We're gonna find Nutra, and then we're going to find that's it, guys. Nutra. So these are all the Nutra ads that we have: skincare, Nutra quiz, and a Nutra test supplement, and Nutra advertorial. So basically we have did most of this except this one. This one we never did this before. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check out whether this is a good landing page or not. So we're just gonna name it Diabetes Freedom. For now we can actually change this later on, so don't worry. Diabetes Freedom. So we can change this later on. So we're gonna do Diabetes Freedom. So you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see that, yep, it's actually regarding weight loss. So you can actually use this, and it's very pretty simple to use, guys. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this with advertorial. Advertorial works very well when it comes to native ads, but with advertorial you can actually see this. You think that there's a lot of stuff that you need to edit, right? But that's not the truth. You only need to edit once, and then you just need to copy paste the whole thing, guys. So for example, this one, Sydney able to blah blah blah, one can see. So you can actually see when I found out regarding combining keto with an apple vinegar. So you're only gonna change whatever which is bolded. Most of them you're not gonna change this one, but other stuff is something like this, right? Keto Vinati and Apple Snyder. You're gonna change this. You're gonna change this into whatever our product name is. So what is our product name? Hey, stop this, man. What's this? Give me a product name, man. I do not have a product name. So what is our product name? Type it is Haki, right? Oh my god, these guys are crazy. So I just want to see what's our product name, and I don't see our product image. So product name is Diabetes Freedom. So Diabetes Freedom is our product's name. So you're just going to do Diabetes Freedom here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put Diabetes Freedom, and what you're gonna do is we're gonna put a full stop. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna make it bold. We're gonna underline it, and then we're gonna attach a link. You can attach any link, guys. You can just go ahead and attach your affiliate link or something like that. You can do. You can just attach any link for now, because later we're gonna change the link. So don't worry. So just attach any link, and it will become like this, right? So what you're gonna do is this one is what you're gonna copy, and then you're going to change it everywhere it says keto variety and apple vinegar cider. So you're going to change this apple vinegar cider combination. Okay, so you're going to change that. So you're going to scroll down again, same thing, keto variety. You're going to change keto variety everywhere it says keto variety. You're going to change that. Was it expensive to get keto variety? No. Keto variety and apple snider. Just change this one also, apple vinegar. So since keto variety is a natural formula, 1 month shipping. Keto variety for, okay, they do have a dollars here, right? So we're gonna change this. So just go through a little bit, because there's not necessary for you to actually go through everything. So just go through a little bit so you can actually see. So this one, so I got diabetes. I got diabetes. They put some price here for so we're gonna just cancel this, and just gonna put for a very cheap price. Okay, that impressive, blah blah blah. So we're gonna go keto variety again. So we're gonna change this is every morning I would make a tea. I'm gonna change this as well. Every morning I would use diabetes freedom. Other than that, I didn't change my routine. Okay, everything is good. So share keto variety and apple cider recipe. So we're gonna change it. This one we're gonna change it as well. Keto variety is so effective. Keto variety is so effective. Then we're gonna do keto variety is so effective. So you can actually do this, guys. So you can do this kind of stuff. So just change everything where it says keto variety, guys. free bottle sample. So we're going to change this. We are not going to get any free bottle sample. So the most easiest for you to do is the apple cider should do the diabetes freedom. So you're just going to change it. You not make sure that there's no any there's nothing regarding free delivery or free charges, guys. So this one we're going to change this a little bit. In fact, we're going to just delete this. So keto YT is okay. We're going to do keto YT here as well. So 1 week after, I'm going to change this into, oops, we're going to change this after consuming. Just change it a little bit, guys. Nothing much you need to change. Welcome side of keto YT. Change it. Business freedom. Tons of but with keto. Okay, this one all you can actually change. There's nothing much here. I lose in with diabetes freedom. I use diabetes freedom in 1 week and I've lost this much. Okay, that's it, guys. I think that's much here. Free sample. We're gonna delete. Viewing our special offer. We're just going to cancel the trial. So click here and get a supply. Okay, we're gonna change get a supply of diabetes freedom. We're gonna do that. So click here to get your starter free. I'm gonna change it free to get your starter exclusive and pay. This pricing we need only, we're gonna remove this pricing, we're gonna remove that. So basically when you go down, okay, when you go down there's nothing much here. Risk free supply. Okay, you're gonna save this. Make sure there's no risk free supply. Oops, I don't know what happened. Maybe I didn't save this. So save this and then free trial offer. I'm gonna change this, guys. This is very bad. Click here to get a supply of this freedom. So you're gonna change this. You're gonna change this as well. Viewing our special offer. Make sure you save it, guys, all the time. So once you have done all this, right, sometimes in the comment section there's nothing much you can actually edit. Sometimes they will have the brand name, but in this comment section there is no brand name, so you can actually see there's no brand name or anything like that. So all is good, guys. So final touch is that we're going to change the images a little bit. So we're going to change this image. Maybe we're going to change the product images a bit, guys. So that's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the affiliate page of Diabetes Freedom, and we're going to see if they do have a nice product images that we can actually use or not. So they do not have a product images that we can use. So we need to go Google. We need to press diabetes freedom. So we're gonna do diabetes freedom and we're gonna do click images. They do have a product images here, so we can actually use the product images here. So it one thing with white. So this one is a good image, but it's like blurred. I don't know why. Mostly I think they will be blurred. So my god. Uh let's just try. Mm-hmm. Let's just try this one, for example. Let's just try this one. Let's just see whether it's not that blur, so you can actually save this. So let's try this. And one more image that we want to use at the border image is we're going to take few other images. We're going to take this image, for example, And then what we're gonna do as well is image 7, and then we're gonna do another image is let's see, this image looks very nice, so we're gonna save these images. So we have 3 images that we can actually use. So whenever you want to edit an image with Landrise, you can actually see, right, this is actually the image. You can actually see there will be a recommended size for you. So what I would highly suggest you to do is, first thing is you need to upload the image with the original size. For example, this is the original size of the image, so just upload it with, oops, sorry, just upload it with the original size. So sometimes it will be very blur and all this kind of stuff. So what you can actually do is you can actually resize the whole image, or you can actually find a better image, large size, for example. Resize is usually for image which is small. So for bigger image, right, I don't think um it's easy for you guys. So old couple, large size. So we don't want anything stock image. Whole, what we're gonna do, healthy couple, large size image. Do something like this. Let's see if this one fits very well or not. I think this one will fit very well. So let's just browse first. I think so this one will fit very well. So yeah, it does fit very well, right? So this kind of stuff. So scroll down further, you can see all the image that you want to change. You want to change this image. So this image is something that we wanted to change, right? We wanted to make it like this. So this looks nice, even though they have a recommended size. We just put the original size. Same goes to the product images here. Even though they have a size, we are just going to put our product image. We're going to see how it looks pretty neat. So there's no need for us to actually resize the whole thing back. So you're going to go back here. So you're going to go back here, you're going to actually put back the image. And that's it, guys. That's all, and you have successfully created your landing page. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit save. You're going to do a final touch up where you're going to go to the gear icon here. You're going to rename the page title. Diabetes freedom is good enough. So if you want to do a different thing, you can actually see the headline of the diabetes title. Please don't cut off our link. Okay, so I'm going to do this. I always do something like this. Please don't cut off this link. And then this destination URL is what I'm going to go to volume. I'm going to go to the gear icon here, and then I'm going to go to the tracking URLs, and I'm going to take this click URL. You know this one, click URL. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to hit change all links. It will refresh the whole page. When I do that, just double check if everything is good. If everything is good, just hit publish. And once you hit publish, they will ask you to choose a domain, which you already set it up just now. So choose a domain, hit publish, and there will be a prompt saying that your image has been successfully exported, and this would be the lander link. So copy this and then go back to volume tracker, and now we're gonna build our lander tracker and complete step 2. So you're gonna go lander, and then you're gonna go to new lander, and then we're gonna build our lander tracker. So workspace public, country we're targeting United States. It's going to be diabetes freedom provine. And then a lander URL is where you're going to paste this. Make sure there's no spacing in front. And then if everything is okay, just verify the landing page. It will show that if all is good, hit save, and you're completed with step number 2. Now we can actually go to do step number 3, which is building our campaign. But remember, I told you we need to build our campaign tracker first. So we need to do this in a vice versa way. You need to build a tracker first. So you need to go campaign. You need to do new campaign, simple. So you're gonna do a campaign here. MGID is going to be our traffic source. Country, it's going to be United States. It's going to be diabetes freedom. and it's going to be Praveen. So usually I do not change the cost model. So path, the campaign destination I won't change, path destination I won't change, redirect mode I will change from 302 to double meta refresh. Lander is going to be diabetes freedom that we did just now. Offer is going to be diabetes freedom that we did just now as well. So where's my diabetes freedom? This is my diabetes freedom. So you're gonna hit save, and that's it. You're done with creating a campaign tracker. We need this volume URL, guys. That's the one of the main reason why we actually create this campaign tracker first. So once you have this campaign URL, now you can actually go to MGID and start building your campaign. So once you're in MGID, you go ahead and hit add new campaign. Okay, so let's start doing this with MGID, guys. So once you add new campaign, you're gonna go and name the campaign. So it's going to be diabetes freedom. Don't worry, your users are not gonna see this. So campaign type, it's going to be content promotion. Campaign category, it's going to be product promotion. Campaign category, it's going to be healthy living, and it's going to be nutrition. And campaign language is going to be English. Block before show no, we are going to keep it open. So targeting is where you are going to target a specific geo browser and everything. So remember, when we look at the affiliate page, they actually told us that how it will actually work, right? So you can actually target all this. So what we can actually do is you can even see OnTracks. We actually, where were OnTracks? I cancelled OnTracks, my god. So never mind, it's okay. First you're gonna go United States. Let me just target it by geo. United. Oh, United States is not there. I think it's in USA. USA, yes. Gonna USA. You're gonna put it here. So we're gonna target USA browser. We are not gonna target do a specific browser. Browser language is only gonna be English. Targeting OS. It's only gonna be mobile. It's only gonna be mobile. We are going to do this. So Android, and iOS. So we're gonna do this. Okay, once you have done that, hit confirm. Then once you hit confirm, there will be another section here coming up. So we'll ask you to schedule the campaign. You can actually schedule the campaign here. You can actually limit your campaign by budget and by conversion and all that. Usually we will do a daily overall budget. So overall budget will be 1.5 times your CPA. So you can actually see your CPA here. So your CPA just now was 90% of the commission. So 75% to 90%. So you can actually see it's actually 75%. So you can actually look at your product page. So our product was what? If I'm not mistaken, it was it was 60 $56 or something like that, right? Let me just see how much is our product worth. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the product worth, and you're going to see it's 1753 Malaysian dollars, Malaysian ringgit. So they are very good. They convert straight away to uh Malaysian ringgit. So 176. So it's $41. So you're gonna do 41 times 75%. So it's going to be $30.75. So you're gonna be $31. So that's going to be overall budget is going to be $31. Your daily budget is you can actually select it to be $31 as well. So what we can actually do is tracks. We're not going to do anything. Conversion tracker, here you actually don't need to do anything, but you can actually choose a template, and when you choose a template it says volume, right? So when you choose a volume, you can actually see all the postback URLs here. Usually we have already done this, so there's no need for us to do this. So once you have done all that, hit the save button. So once you hit the save button, hit save and continue, and everything is good, guys. They will actually oh, if there's actually a prompt error here, fill all the fields. So which field I didn't fill up? Okay, tracking, oh, tracking tags, that's the field that I didn't fill up, I think. So We just see now if everything is good. I like this prompting so that we know that we are making a mistake here. So type this freedom of English available, track USA, all good, schedule, dynamic, overall, select by budget. So do not show all teasers. I mean, everything is good. Oh, the minimum daily budget is $50. So you can actually see the minimum daily budget is actually $50. So you can put the overall budget as $50 as well. You're gonna hit save. You're gonna hit save and continue. Hope this time everything is good. My God, what's the problem now? The daily budget should be greater than the. Okay, let's just do $60. Let's do this. Hopefully it can happen right now. Don't tell me it's gonna come again. Nah, not this time. It's good. So your campaign has been successfully added. Now you're gonna create a teaser. Yes, we're gonna create a teaser. So you can actually literally create up to 10 teasers. But what I would suggest you to do is create up to 5 to 6 teasers. So before you create the teasers, make sure you read the creative guidelines, the prohibited content, restricted content, because MGID is very famous in that. So this URL is what you're going to take your campaign URL. You're going to paste your URL here. So once you have done that, you're going to name the title and you're going to browse the image. So what you're going to do with the image is you're going to go OnTracks, or you're going to go usually we will find that image in OnTracks, right? So I don't know why I went and cancel OnTracks. So let me just sign in back into OnTracks. So this was the image that we're using, right? So literally, usually we will actually use almost similar images, and then we will test at different verticals as well. Like for example, this one's different verticals. So you can actually choose different verticals and you can actually put it there. So like I told you, take your time. If not, if you can't find it in OnTracks, go ahead and find it in a Google or something, but make sure you take your time, because this is going to be your first impression of your audience, and trust me, it might even be your last impression. So if you don't do it well, so make sure you do it well, guys. So I can't save this file, so I can actually save it from Google. So I think from Google I can save it. From there I cannot save it, so I'm just going to paste it here. So hopefully everything is good. So you can actually see they need a particular size, right? It is 492 times 128. So what you can actually do is you can go to a software called Canva. Canva is a software created for people without any designing background to design stuff. So you're going to go ahead, create design, create dimension. It's going to be 492128. 492128. So you're going to hit create design. And then what you're going to do is going to go upload. You're going to upload an image. You're going to upload a name here, and then you're going to resize this image accordingly. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to resize this image accordingly. Let's take the image again. So you can resize this image accordingly, and what happens is that you can actually adjust the background color automatically to whatever colors which is almost similar to the background. Black works well. No, black doesn't work well, so I need something like this. Something like this. So you cannot actually put text here, so let's try out with white. Let's see how white works. So you can do something like that. You can resize them, and you can put a different images if you want to, all this kind of stuff. So now you can actually fit it. I just want to show you guys how to resize it. So now you can actually fit it. Should be 3 to 8. Oh my god. Oh, I actually put a different size. It's going to be 3 to 8. No wonder I see why it couldn't actually fit. That's not the size that we actually need to put. So this is actually the size that we need to put. So what we can actually do is we can straight away drag it. It might look a little bit pixelated, so it's your choice. Like I told you, make sure you spend a lot of time on here to get a good creative. But this is actually how you do it. So once you resize it, now you can actually put it. I think everything will be good right now. So yep, everything is good. So you can actually rename the title. So the title is something that you can actually take it from here, or you can do something really nice as well. This one looks very nice. This one looks pretty neat. Do this immediately if you have diabetes. I think I like this one. So we're gonna copy this, we're gonna paste this here. Do this immediately if you have diabetes. And that's about it, guys. You can actually save the ads and start creating new ads, or you can just save the ad and go to the dashboard itself. So if everything is well, then it will come something like this. You have created one teaser. We recommend to launch campaign with at least 10 teasers. I would recommend you to have at least 5 to 6 teasers. So basically that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and run your native ads on MGID. I really hope that this video was beneficial. I think this video was really long, but before I go, I just want to tell you guys, if you want to use volume, if you want to use OnTracks, all the links is actually in the description of this video. And if you want to use Landerize, there's a special offer link for 14 days free trial for Landerize is also available in the description of this video. And if you want to join our community, we have a community called Dice University Forum. It's a community where people from all over the world, affiliates, come together, join, share knowledge, build a community, guys. It's a very beautiful community. The link is also in the description of this video, so make sure you check it out all. So before I go, I just want to ask a quick favor from you guys. It could mean a lot for us. Just help us to support the channel by hitting the big red subscribe button, as well as the like button for this video only if you like this video. And do not forget the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming contents, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. So I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, tada, bye bye.